That's all that that's money. All that paper stays is money. The tax is not going to get money. Don't worry. I know what's going on here. That's something that you don't you take a drink, you smoke a joint, and something else. That you start stealing money from the company.
That's always bad.
They know when they tell them, oh, you know, not doing so well. I say, I can tell you that. Not doing in the books. How can you tell the manager you're not doing well? Where's the money going to? I tell you, the way you speak up, you won't have money. But then you see outside the father.